Hi, my name is Adrian James A. Paingan, and this is my final project for CS50 called ACADCO. I'm from the Philippines, specifically in Bacoor, Cavite, and ACADCO is a student-powered academic marketplace built for students here in the Philippines, especially those under 18 who can't take formal jobs but they want to earn through skills like writing, tutoring, or making presentations. The platform is built with Python and Flask for the backend, SQLite for the database, and CSS from Tailwind for styling. JavaScript was also used for interactivity, including the image slider on the homepage. Public pages include Home, Login, Register, About Us, and Contact Us, with a responsive navbar and footer. The homepage features a dynamic image slider showing relevant academic visuals. And once logged in, users are taken to the dashboard where they can browse available academic services or offer their own by submitting a title, category, description, and price. Clicking Hire brings you to a detailed view of the service provider profile where you can see their summary, certifications, and contact info. And every user can fully edit their profile from the dashboard, as you can see. Although the demo test users are shown without profile pictures, all key features are posted there in the code, such as profile editing, posting services, session tracking, and secure password hashing. These are all functional. ACADCO aims to empower students to grow, earn, and collaborate through a safe and educational environment. And while still in development, some of the features are still not implemented, but it lays the foundation for a real-world academic gig platform. Thank you for watching.